Hello and welcome to Smart Finance Investor. Today, we have an exciting topic that's essential for anyone looking to make their mark in the world of investing. Whether you are a newbie or a seasoned investor, these 5 key tips for successful stock investing will help you navigate the complex world of the stock market and increase your chances of making informed and profitable decisions. Tip 1. Do your homework. Embarking on a successful stock investing journey requires more than just a passing glance at stock prices. It's about immersing yourself in a company's story and numbers before committing your funds. Begin by delving into the company's financial statements, understanding its revenue, earnings growth, and debt levels. Scrutinize the management team's track record and vision for the future, as well as their strategies to stay competitive. Investigate the industry landscape to comprehend where the company stands and its potential for growth. Don't disregard macroeconomic factors that could impact the company's performance either. This research provides a foundation, reducing uncertainty and enabling you to make informed investment choices. Remember, a diligent approach to homework can help you separate promising opportunities from potential pitfalls, leading to more confident and strategic investments. Tip 2. Diversification is key. Imagine your investment portfolio as a garden. It's important not to put all your plants in one plot. Diversification involves spreading your investments across various sectors, industries, and even asset classes. This strategic approach mitigates risk by preventing a single downturn from severely impacting your overall portfolio. By owning a mix of stocks from different sectors, such as technology, healthcare, finance, and more, you create a balance that can withstand market fluctuations. It's crucial, however, to strike a balance between over-diversification, which can dilute potential gains, and under-diversification, which heightens risk. Diversification can help smooth out the ride, making your investment journey more resilient and potentially rewarding over the long term. Remember, a well-diversified portfolio serves as a safeguard against unforeseen challenges in any particular industry or sector. Tip 3. Think long-term. One of the cornerstones of successful stock investing is adopting a patient and forward-looking approach. While short-term market fluctuations can be unnerving, focusing on the long-term horizon can provide a clearer perspective. Quality investments often require time to mature and realize their full potential. By thinking long-term, you allow your investments the opportunity to weather market volatility, benefit from compounding returns, and potentially ride out temporary downturns. This mindset helps curb the impulse to react hastily to day-to-day market noise. Rather than being swayed by short-term emotions, you make decisions rooted in your investment strategy and overall financial goals. Remember, the stock market is a journey, and focusing on the bigger picture empowers you to stay committed to your investment journey, capitalize on growth opportunities, and navigate the inevitable market ups and downs with resilience and confidence. Tip 4. Understand risk tolerance. When it comes to successful stock investing, self-awareness is a critical foundation. Evaluating your risk tolerance involves assessing your comfort level with potential fluctuations in the value of your investments. Consider factors such as your financial goals, time horizon, and emotional response to market volatility. Are you willing to accept higher risks for potentially higher returns, or do you prefer a more conservative approach? It's essential to strike a balance that aligns with your personal circumstances, as overextending your risk tolerance can lead to anxiety and poor decisions. Conversely, being too risk-averse might hinder your growth potential. Understanding your risk appetite helps you tailor your investment strategy to match your comfort level, fostering a sense of confidence and control over your investment journey. Remember, successful investing is about finding the sweet spot between taking calculated risks and maintaining a comfortable level of security. Tip 5. Stay informed. In the dynamic world of stock investing, knowledge is your most valuable asset. Regularly keeping yourself updated on market trends, economic indicators, and relevant news is crucial. Follow trusted financial news sources, research reports, and expert analyses to gain insights into potential opportunities and risks. Staying informed helps you make well-informed decisions based on data rather than speculation. It allows you to understand the bigger picture and make adjustments to your investment strategy when necessary. By staying attuned to market shifts, you can seize opportunities that arise and potentially mitigate risks before they escalate. Remember, the stock market is influenced by a multitude of factors, from global events to company-specific developments. Cultivating the habit of staying informed empowers you to navigate the market with greater confidence and adapt to evolving circumstances. There you have it, folks. 5 key tips for successful stock investing. Remember, investing is a journey, not a race. By doing your research, diversifying your portfolio, thinking long-term, understanding your risk tolerance, and staying informed, you are on the path to becoming a more confident and informed investor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, happy investing.